Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many WhatsApp users are complaining that when they try to call a person, they face this problem on WhatsApp. WhatsApp call unavailable and WhatsApp doesn't call, and when they call someone else, the call goes away. But this problem is coming with a particular number. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can solve this problem. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, usually this problem occurs when you have been blocked, i.e. you have been blocked by the owner of the number you are calling, which is causing this problem. Method 1. Turn off useless data for calls. For that, launch the WhatsApp on your device. After opening the WhatsApp, tap Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, swipe down and tap Storage and Data. Here, switch off useless data for calls under the Network section. Method 2. Contact with Help Center. For that, launch the WhatsApp on your device. Tap Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now swipe down and tap Help. Then tap Help Center. Now choose your topic, voice and video call. Select troubleshooting and then can't make WhatsApp voice call. After that, completely swipe down and tap on Contact Support. Type your issue here. And send it to WhatsApp support team, and you will be given its response in WhatsApp chat. Tap Send my question to WhatsApp team at the bottom. Now WhatsApp team will review your account and solve your problem. That's all you have to do and your problem will be solved.